Good morning, dear students. How are you doing? It's me, Miss Seven. I'm going to teach you math. Now we are in week 6, lesson 4. Let's start with doing some examples about time word problem. First example, we have this girl. She's doing her homework. You worked on your homework from 4 o'clock to 10 past 5. How long did you spend doing your homework? You start at 4 o'clock to 10 past 5. How long did you spend doing your homework? 1 hour and 10 minutes. Very good. You spend 1 hour and 10 minutes to doing your homework. Excellent. Another example. Your brother practiced karate for 2 hours and 50 minutes. He finished practicing at 5 past 6. What time did he begin? He began at 10 to 4, or you can say 3:50. Good. One more example. Edward needed 25 minutes to bake some cookies and 50 minutes to bake some brownies. If he began baking at 7:30, when would he finish? He finished at 8:45, or you can say 8:45. 8:45. Very good. One more example. Sky swam laps for 1 hour and 7 minutes. If she stopped at 5 past 6, when did she begin? She began at 4:58. 4:58. Another example. Ryan went to the cinema to watch a film. It starts at 3:15 and ended at 5:25. How long was the film? The film was 2 hours and 10 minutes long. 2 hours and 10 minutes long. Very good. Now, take out your Math Learners book, open page 167. Let's solve the problem. Ready? Let's start. Problem 3. Look at this. This is tens timetable. We have this timetable for tens. Name, start time, finish time. We have Paco and Darina. They start playing tennis at 1 o'clock and they will be finished at 2:30. We have Jolio and Tessa. They start playing tennis at 2:30 and finish at 4 o'clock. Here we don't have any name, but if there's any name, they should start at 4 o'clock and finish at 5:30. The last one, Manuel and Jade. They start playing tennis at 5:30 and finishing at 7 o'clock. Good. Now, there are some questions. Let's answer. For how long will Paco and Darina play tennis? For how long Paco and Darina play tennis? This is Paco and Darina. They start at 1 o'clock and they will be finished at 2:30. For how long Paco and Darina will play tennis? For 1 hour and half. Very good. 1.5 hours. For 1.5 hours they play tennis. Good. Another one. What time will Manuel and Jade start playing tennis? At what time they start playing tennis? Manuel and Jade. They start playing tennis at 5:30. Very good. They start playing tennis at 5:30. Well done. Another question. What time will Jolio and Tessa finish playing tennis? This is Jolio and Tessa, and this is finishing time. They will finish playing tennis at 4 o'clock. Very good. Tessa and Jolio finish playing tennis at 4 o'clock. Now write the answers. Again, this is 10's timetable. The children are discussing the time they could play. Massey said, we could play at 3 o'clock. We could play at 3 o'clock. Kader said, we could play at 4 o'clock. We could play at 4 o'clock. And the last one, she said, Jolio and Tessa are playing at 4 o'clock. Good. Now, let's see. Massey said we could play at 3 o'clock. Can Massey play at 3 o'clock? Look at the timetable. Of course, no. At 3 o'clock, Jolio and Tessa are playing. Good. What about this girl? This girl said, Jolio and Tessa are playing at 4 o'clock. This is Jolio and Tessa. Are they playing at 4 o'clock? Of course, no. They start playing at 2:30. Yes. What about Kader? Kader said, we could play at 4 o'clock. We could play at 4 o'clock. Who's correct? What time could Kader and Massey play tennis? The boy is correct. Why the boy is correct? Because Kader said we could play at 4 o'clock. Look at the timetable here. There's no name here. Massey and Kader, they could play at 4 o'clock. Very good. The boy is correct. Kader and Massey could play at 4 o'clock. Well then, now write the answer. Thank